All Pro Gutter Guards is the premier gutter installation company in Reading, Pennsylvania, dedicated to providing high-quality gutter systems that protect homes and businesses from water damage. Our expert team specializes in seamless gutter installation, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. We use durable materials and the latest techniques to deliver reliable results tailored to each property. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or installing new gutters, we offer efficient, affordable, and professional service. Homeowners throughout Reading trust us for our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. Choose All Pro Gutter Guards, your trusted gutter installation company in Reading, Pennsylvania. Call us today, All Pro Gutter Guards, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a gutter installation company near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Gutter Guards. Who is the best gutter installation company in Reading, Pennsylvania? All Pro Gutter Guards is a top-rated gutter installation company in Reading, Pennsylvania, offering expert service and durable, long-lasting gutter systems. What services does a gutter installation company in Reading, Pennsylvania provide? A trusted gutter installation company in Reading, Pennsylvania like All Pro Gutter Guards offers gutter installation, replacement, gutter guards, and maintenance solutions. What is your service office for Reading, Pennsylvania? Our local gutter installation company has served Reading, West Reading, Mount Penn, Pennside, Greenfields, Wyomissing Hills, Kenhorst, Shillington, Mohnton, Grill, Reiffton, Jacksonwald, Vasket, Laureldale, Sinking Spring, Leinbachs, Ridgewood, Temple, Whitfield, Pennsylvania. Where is your All Pro Gutter Guards office located? We are located at 2395 Lancaster Pike, 1st floor, Reading, Pennsylvania 19607. Our phone number is 610-686-8610. Visit our website, https://gutterguards.com/readingpa/